Hi store owners! Today I'm walking you through how to set up wholesale pricing on my store. Whether you're just getting started or looking to fine-tune your pricing strategy, by the end of this, you'll know how to set product-level prices, apply global discounts, and unlock even more with the premium version. Here, I am on a product's edit screen. Once the Wholesale Prices plugin is installed, you get a new Wholesale Prices section right inside the product data panel. I just type in the price I want my wholesale customers to see. Let's say $50, and save the product. That's it. This price will only ever show up for users assigned to a wholesale role. Now, if you want to go beyond setting prices product by product, this is where things get really powerful. You will need to upgrade to the premium version of the wholesale prices. The premium version will let me apply a global percentage discount that updates pricing across my entire catalog instantly. I can also set category-based discounts, so different product groups get different rates. And with tiered pricing, I can reward bulk buyers. The more they order, the lower the price per unit. And that's everything you need to start offering wholesale pricing on your store. I'll drop a link to the full documentation below if you want to go deeper on the premium settings. That's the end of the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.